Like, who's forcing us to push the rock? Wait, do I need the rock? We can do it. We can do this. We can do this. We don't need the rock. In this world, why did Sisyphus simply not let go of the rock? Is he stupid?